Hello, everyone. It's your good friend Jack here, back again with another Wax Weekly. Missed 1 or 2 weeks there previously. I was on holidays and then I had stuff planned, but it actually fell through. Um, Probably have myself to blame for it, but hey, we're back. That's the important thing, and we're here to shine the spotlight on Wax projects and what's happening on the Wax blockchain as usual. So yeah, we're back. Good to be back. And following the same format as we always do, the last 7 days on Wax, again, as usual, have been dominated by Funko drops or Funko collections, and secondary market activity just seems to be consistent, as well as Alien Worlds and Dungeon Master as well, which is a pretty cool game that I enjoy, playing from time to time. Yeah, so again, nothing too different or nothing too, strange or exciting. Well, exciting maybe, but not strange. Followed up by, let me have a little look here at our Wax weekly drop calendar, which drops every Monday. If you want to get your project listed on it, absolutely no problem. Drop me a message on X, or drop me or check the pin post on our socials, and you can see how to get your project featured. These videos and the drop calendar and our weekly blog are all sponsored by EOS Dublin and brought to you by Wax School. So it won't cost you anything. Just drop us a message and we'll be happy to feature you on the drop calendars. Sometimes people want to get drops featured as well, and kind of limited if we have a couple more slots or we don't have any slots available. That has actually only happened once, but we will always do our best to feature projects. So absolutely give us a shout out. And yeah, we're going to change that format a bit, so it doesn't matter how many projects need to be featured or need to be mentioned. Looking back over the week, I suppose Alien Worlds had their mining Monday, whereas Skate Collab had a couple of drops. Skate had a couple of collab drops. I think it was with Aesthetic Mont. Looked pretty cool anyway. Followed by a Tuesday of Funko drops, or the Back to the Future Funko drop on Tuesday, and Nova Pangaea had their hero sketch packs, which looks like a lot of work went into them, and they look really cool. A lot of collaboration, and yeah, congratulations to the Nova Pangaea team. Always giving them a shout out on the videos. Splinterlands, which might be a bit of a weird one because the game is not on the Wax blockchain, but the assets are tradable on the Wax blockchain. So they had their Rebellion. I'm not sure whether it was a season or just new cards being implemented for the game, but it seemed to be a big one for them. We also had the Funko It inventory snapshot and the different Goblins Halloween pack, or the special Halloween packs by R4KZ, which we always give a shout out to as well, because the artwork is just so slick. Today was a bit quiet, but we always give games a shout out. I think it was Spinia last week, NFT Battle Miners or Nifty Battle Miners. Sorry, always mix that up. But they had their Shadow Depth Season 2 launch as well. So again, just to keep giving projects a little bit of a spotlight. That looked pretty cool. Drawn Company Spookfest. I mean, the big day is Friday. That's tomorrow. And yeah, definitely one to watch. As well as we had Digital Pop Kingdom have a Halloween drop then as well. Quiet weekend, but over the weekend you could continue playing RadaQuest's campaign, and Blockchain Heroes Blitz, I think, is still rocking as well. So as well as more unique chairs. Chairs is just so cool. Drops most days, most, I suppose, weeks. There's something featured, and they're always slick, always very creative. So we like to give them a shout out as well. But that is our drop calendar. Pin post on our X, or give us a message and we'll feature your project happily. Now, finally, because we like keeping these videos short, Wax has teamed up with Uncut, which is like a social media platform for NFTs. Head on over to uncut.network, link your cloud wallet. It's actually pretty easy to do. Get your profile set up. And yeah, follow me and I'll follow you back. We want to build a bit of a gathering on this because it looks pretty cool. It links with your wallet, so obviously you're able to view all your assets. You're able to put them on show, which is slick as well. You can see it down here, my collection. Yeah, and it just looks pretty fun overall. It might actually be pretty cool just to have a bit of a community on this as well. Very easily see everyone's assets and collections and things like that. And it's always good to have or to try something new at least. So yeah, head on over to uncut.network, get linked with your Wax Cloud wallet, follow Wax as well, and you will get an NFT, a Barbarian NFT wow, PFP launch. It looked pretty cool. The artwork did as well. Yeah, so they're doing, for anyone who signs up before the 13th of November with their Wax Cloud wallet, don't hold me to the date, but there's definitely a free NFT. Looks pretty cool. It's a PFP. They're called the Barbarians. And I think you'll be able to, your account gets whitelisted and you're able to claim it on NFT Hive when it actually happens. So yeah, you have some time to get in still. Like I said, we're on there, Wax School. Check us out. If you follow us, we'll follow you back. Absolutely no problemo. And that is it for us today. As always, these videos are a pleasure to do. We love the community. We want to support the community. Yeah, and we appreciate anyone who watches these videos. As always, they're sponsored by EOS Dublin, brought to you by Wax School. That is your good friend Jack signing off. Have a great end of week and weekend. We'll see you next week, everyone. Wax on.